In this video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Now, what you need to do first, let's say if you want to send, if you have some Solana or some Bitcoin on your Phantom Wallet, and you love to send to your Binance, just open up your Phantom Wallet. Wait for it to open up. Once it has opened up, go to your Phantom Wallet and copy the address of the token you want to send, right? So if I click on this receive right now, I'm going to see my different wallet address, right? So let's say I've copied the one of Solana. Just click on this receive here. Go to your Binance. If you want to send crypto from your Binance to your Phantom Wallet, let's say I've copied my Solana Phantom Wallet address. What I need to do now, click on spot. If you want to withdraw Sol, click on this Sol, right? Click on withdraw, send via crypto. So come on here and paste your Solana Phantom Wallet address, right? If you paste it here, click on this network, select Solana, right? Enter the amount of Sol you want to send from your Binance to your Phantom Wallet. So this is how you can do it, right? Even for the rest of them, you can also do this with Bitcoin, with Ethereum. Just do the same thing I just did now, right? So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.